Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification from NIT Tirchi. So in this notification you can see the notification has come out for the full-time and part-time program for the disciplines like engineering, technology, science, computer applications, architecture, management and humanities and social science. So in this video all the details will be covered and will also tell you the important dates, eligibility, the procedure and how to apply. You will get the fellowship of rupees 35,000 per month during the PhD course. So before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest videos notifications. And please like this video and also please share this video to in your groups and WhatsApp groups so that the other people can get the benefit. So let us see what is the notification. So here is the notification and the information brochure of this course. You can see that is the PhD program, that is full-time or part-time program. It is the July 2021 session from the National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Shortly it is called as Tirchi. Let us see the notification details. So as you can see here it is mentioned applications are invited for the admission of to the PhD program in the following four categories. So there are basically four categories, two for part-time and two for full-time. So let us see what are the details of the full-time. So first category will be the half-time research fellowship, that is STRA, and the externally funded. So STRA means it is with the fellowship and external funded means it is without fellowship. Okay, and in the part-time also there are two categories, that is internal and external. So if you are in service you can apply for the part-time program. Internal and external means internal is for the candidates from the NIT Tirchi insider and the external are from the outsiders. So for this session starting from July 2021 in all the disciplines that I have already mentioned and I have already informed you in this video, all the disciplines of engineering, technology, science, computer applications, architecture, management and humanities, computers and social science will be there. So let us see, the application will be through online. But before that, let us see what are the other criteria and instructions are given. So there will be two categories for lateral applicants and direct applicants. Let us see what is these two. Applicants with a master degree, including those currently in their final semester and expecting the degrees awarded in 2021, they can apply in the OC, OCS News, OBC, NCL categories. Must have 60% mark or CGPA. It is 6.5 out of 10. In the SC/ST, that is the reserve category, must have 55% of mark in aggregate and CGPA is equivalent to 6. In both the undergraduate and PG degrees, the admission to the PhD program, you need to have this marks. You can check. Okay. So in addition to that, a GATE equivalent national level test score is preferably obtained in the last 5 years. So what does it mean? That means you need not to have a valid GATE score or the recent GATE score. You need to have a GATE score at least or the GATE or any equivalent national level test score within last 5 years. So if you have qualified the GATE or any national level test in the last 5 years, you can put this score, so it will be acceptable. So these applicants are eligible for all the four categories of full-time and part-time. However, the GATE equivalent score is not mandatory for the applicants for the industry research and development labs for the admission into part-time or external category. So here in this category, the part-time category, you need not to show the GATE scores. So it is clearly mentioned in this paragraph. Okay. So if you are in service or any of the research and development labs, so you need not to have the GATE score. What will be the direct applicants means? So it is the exceptionally outperforming applicants currently in their final semester of BTech BE architecture degree can expect their bachelor's degree awarded in 2021 can apply. So it is like a two degree, that is a jointly for MTech M architecture plus PhD program. So it is the direct applicants. So here you need to show at least 80% of mark for the general category. Okay, and for the reserve category it is 75% mark. So if you, in addition to that, a qualified GATE or equivalent national level test score is mandatory. Okay, so exceptionally well candidates can apply for this PhD program. So they need to perform 2 degrees, that is MTech or M architecture and along with PhD program. Okay, so let us see the what are the other terms and conditions. So selection of the candidate basing on the initial screening of the applicants with a written test and the performance in the interview counseling to be conducted online sessions this admission. So the selection will be based on initial screening and written test. However, written test is not it is not decided yet. It may be or may not be like this term here, and performance in the interview. So interview will be must. Here it is mentioned the conduct of written test is based on the number of applicants received and the prevailing the pandemic situation. Okay, so this is the details. The written test will be online. Okay, need not to go to anywhere else. Okay, and interview also it will be through online. So there you can check some other details like hostel accommodation details are there. Applicants must following documents upload the following documents whichever applicable while submitting the PhD document like 10th mark sheet plus 2 mark sheet, passport size photograph signature, mark sheet of the last semester. Okay, all the details, these are the notifications you can check. And so sponsorship certificate, if applicable, please upload the sponsorship certificate. If it is not available, then attach the self declared letter stating that the sponsorship certificate will be given at the time of the interview or admission. Okay, the statement of purpose, that is SOP, and the research proposal is mandatory. Okay, so you need to have any of these two. Here it is mentioned any of these two. That means either you can have statement of purpose, that is SOP, or the research proposal. Okay, and at least 2 recommendations from the faculties. Okay, so there the details has been given. What are the other details? Let us see. Uh, so let us see what is the application fees. So it is 1000 per department for the general categories and 750 rupees for the reserve categories. So applications to more than one department shall be considered only upon the payment of the requisite fees for the each department. That means if you are applying more than one department, you need to pay separately 1000 rupees if you are general and 750 rupees if you are in the reserve categories. So the how to make the payment for the application, it is through online SBI. You can go to this link and pay it. So last date will be 9 July. So I'll put this link into the description or this entire notification in the description so that you can directly go and check it. So what are the important dates? Let us see quickly. So it is the website will open from 9 June and the last date of submission it will be okay July 9th. So around 1 month the applications will go on, and tentative date of schedule written test it is around July 15th. Okay, so let us see what are the fellowship. So as you can see, as I already told you, that is a half-time research assistantship, that is HTRA scholarship is there. So let us see how much scholarship we can get. In this paragraph it is mentioned here. Here only it is mentioned. At present, the fellowship is payable for the maximum duration of 5 years or up to the thesis submission, whichever is earlier. So up to 5 years you will get the fellowship. So how much you will get the fellowship? It is monthly fellowship. It is 31,000 for the first 2 years, and then it will be enhanced to 35,000 for the remaining 3 years. Okay. So for the first 2 years you will get only 31,000. Rest 3 years you will get 35,000. Okay. So let us see the other notifications. Both lateral and direct candidates are eligible for the Prime Minister Research Fellowship, that is PMRF. So you can check this link for the all the details. There is specific research stream, that is DRDO CAIR MHRD scheme, wherein the candidate selected in the Department of CSC, CA, EEE, EC, IC upon completion of the prescribed coursework at the NIT Trichy have provision to pursue their coursework with the HTRA in the DRDO Center for the Artificial Intelligence Robotics, that is CAIR, that is Center for DRDO Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, Bangalore. Alright, so let us see what are the quickly other sections. Here it is the seat distribution. So how many seats are available you can check. For architecture total 8, chemical it is 8, chemistry 8, 6, civil engineering 13, computer science 8. So there you can check all the details. So total 146 seats are there. So how much how the reserve candidates will get the seats, that is according to the Government of India reservation policy will be followed for the CEWS or OBC, NCL or SC ST, and the persons with disability, that is PWD candidates in the absence of applications from PWD candidates. Alright, the seats are reserved for the PWD will be filled by the candidates who are belong to the same category without PWD. Okay, so let us see what are the other notifications. Here you can check the details. Uh, what are the other notifications? Let us see. There is no stipend fellowship for the candidates selected under this category, that is A, B, C, and that is part-time or internal or part-time external. Alright, so part-time internal or external will not get any stipend or fellowship. These programs are completely self-financed. So you will not get any stipend if you are applying for the part-time, internal or external categories. Alright, I know this video is getting big, so because this is around 19-page notifications. So please watch this video to the end so that you will get all the details. I have already mentioned you the important dates. Alright, and here is the important contact person further queries you can directly email. Alright, and phone numbers are also mentioned. You can check there. You can check the specializations from each of the topic. You can pause the video and check it, or else you can download this video from the download this notifications from the description, so that you will get all the details. There you can check the sponsorship certificate format is also mentioned here. Alright, so certificate of the external research advisor or research coordinator, it is also available. So these are the some forms and need to be helpful, are going to be helpful for the applicants. So this is all about the PhD admission notifications from NIT Tirchi. I hope you like this video. Please like press the like button, so that it will encourage us, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you will get all the latest notifications. So thank you for watching, and please visit our social media pages and comment below if you like this video. Please comment yes, I like this video, and comment if any any topic you want the videos, and any institution you would like to see the video in our channel. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.